Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add and customize text boxes in your presentations on Miro.com. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do is navigate to your board on Miro. Let me go with this one here. And after that, let me just zoom out a bit. After that, you will be redirected to that editing space here. So here to the left, guys, you will see these customization tools. Amongst these, you will see the text tool. Click into it or use the shortcut T. And after that, let me just zoom in a bit. After that, draw a box like this and type in your text. As you can see, the font is pretty small with the text. So what you want to do is highlight it and simply resize it here, just like that. So you can click also into the font size and, for instance, select one of these here. And that's basically it. Now you can customize your text box, of course. You can switch the type here. You can change the font and use one of the available font types here in the Miro library. And you can apply bold letters, italic letters, underline, add, change the alignment from left to center, right? You can add bulleted lists, numbered lists, create hyperlinks, for instance, change the text color, of course. Let me change to orange, and so on and so forth. We use a background color, or they call it highlight text here, comment, and so on and so forth, guys. So if you'd like to, if you'd like to move your text box, simply select the select tool here to the left with that arrow, click into your text box and move it like you would do with any other element. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.